Let's Get Divine, and you're watching the JK Squad channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome slime with only a few steps, and it's heaven. It's so amazing and so fluffy. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Here's the slime I made only a few moments ago, and it is so squishy and so amazing, and it's just a light green, just how I like it, lime, and it smells super nice because of the lotion. So here's the ingredients you'll be needing. You'll be needing baby powder or body powder, whichever one you prefer. This is just what we had at the house right now. You'll be needing lotion. I'm using strawberry champagne lotion because it smells super nice, but whatever you have, just normal lotion will work. You also need shaving cream, of course. Glue. This one's empty, but I have another one right here. It's sparkly glitter glue, but you can use normal glue. Colors. You'll need baking soda, contact solution, a bowl, and some measuring cups, and that should be it. Let's get into it. Step number 1, you're just going to pour your glue into a half cup measuring, and if you want to double the recipe, just use a full cup and make sure to multiply every other measurements times 2. And we're just going to keep pouring until it's all the way full. Please excuse the mess. I recently used it to make my other slime and just haven't had time to wash it because right after we made this video. Okay, now you're just going to want to pour in all your glue into the bowl as best as you can. And then put this aside, and you're going to take half a cup of shaving cream. You kind of want it out because it will not fill up fully, and you're just going to add as much as possible. You do not want to overdo the shaving cream because then it will get too moist and won't hold its consistency and won't stick together, and it will just be a gloop and stick to your hands, and it will be awful. So please try and stick to the recipe as best you can. Go. We're going to add some color just to make it a little darker, because once the shaving cream gets mixed in, it won't be as light and fluffy. I mean, it will be fluffy, but it won't be as light, so we're going to try to darken up the green. Just add as much color as you want and make it as dark as you want. But I would suggest going in just one drop at a time, because if you don't want to add too much color, because there's no way to extract the color. Well, at least of what I know. Okay. Next, we're just going to take your lotion, and you're just going to put in a couple squirts. You don't want a lot of lotion. It's just going to help it make it stretchy and squishy and enjoyable and play with the bowl, you know. I don't think that's a word, but oh well. Okay, next we're going to be putting in baby powder. Powder. The body powder, baby powder, whatever you guys use. I use body powder because we do not have baby powder. And we're going to be using next a little bit less. I used a half teaspoon of baking soda in there. It's just going to help it hold its consistency, stay together, and, you know. Okay, and after that, we're going to add our activator so it'll stick together, and we will be using eye contact solution. And I've heard some don't work, but if you look on the label right there, it says it contains boric acid Hold on. Sorry, I'm trying to focus the camera. Okay. Well, it says boric acid, and that is almost the same thing as borax, which it technically is, but I like to use eye contact solution. We have borax, but I just prefer eye contact solution because it's easier to use and it's just better, in my opinion, than borax. As you can see, it's almost came together